How to connect maps in Skoda Slavia. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to connect your smartphone to the Skoda Slavia's infotainment system to use navigation apps like Google Maps, Apple Maps, or Waze. Whether you are an Android or iPhone user, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Section 1. Connecting via Android Auto. Ensure your Skoda Slavia is turned on and parked safely. Use a high-quality USB cable to connect your Android phone to the car's USB port. On your phone, you might see a prompt to download or update the Android Auto app. Follow the on-screen instructions. On the infotainment screen, select Smart Link, then choose Android Auto. Grant any necessary permissions on your phone to allow access. Once connected, you will see the Android Auto interface on the infotainment screen. And then, open your preferred navigation app, like Google Maps or Waze, and start your journey. Section 2. Connecting via Apple CarPlay. Ensure your Skoda Slavia is turned on and parked safely. Then, use a cable to connect your iPhone to the car's USB port. On your iPhone, you might see a prompt asking for permission to allow CarPlay. Tap Allow. On the infotainment screen, select Smart Link, then choose Apple CarPlay. Then, the Apple CarPlay interface will appear on the infotainment screen. Open Apple Maps or another navigation app to begin navigation. And you're ready to navigate. If you need to switch between Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, you need to disconnect the currently connected device and then connect the other device using a respective USB cable. And that's how you connect your smartphone to the Skoda Slavia's infotainment system to use navigation apps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. See you in the next video. Thanks.